Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at clearance deals. We're going to be looking at the tool deals. Our tools, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tools review videos. This is the way YouTube grows the platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Walking in here, we got this for 99 bucks. This is the fogger. It's like a fogger mister, 18 volt from Ryobi. So if you're in the platform, definitely check it out. It says up to 15 feet, I guess, of coverage. And yeah, the Ryobi fans usually in this area. There was one only on this store. I know some of you have been looking for these Ryobi fans. They're still $19.97 if you're lucky to find one. I did find one here. So, and this pressure washer is really good. I definitely recommend it. I do have it. I use a foam cannon. I have several videos of using foam cannons with this pressure washer, and it's just a matter of having the right foam cannon and the right soap or washing fluid or whatever. You got Makita brushless trimmer, $199. It's in 18 bolts. So you guys see there, it is the kit. So battery and charger included. And this one's the $279, the blower combo kit trimmer. So it does include the blower and the string trimmer, and it does include battery and charger. You got the $199 for the chainsaw. So you guys see there. So you got plenty of those. You got an impact driver drill driver with the hammer drill, $279. It's a two-piece combo kit. So definitely check it out. $279. And then they got $399 for the mower, 18-inch push mower. It comes with 2 batteries, and I guess you get a total of 4 batteries on this box, so 2 free. You got HP brushless kit, $159. So these are they do come with the compact batteries that they say. $149 for the blower. If you guys see, it's 350 CFM, so it's not a lot. So if you got a small yard, you can use that. Other than that, I would definitely go at least 400 CFM. Those are the new bits from Ryobi. I personally haven't used those new bits. I used the old ones. They suck basically. But the new ones I haven't used. $149 for this 13-inch string trimmer. You got a right angle there drill, 99 bucks from the new HP line. $149 for the 13-inch string trimmer and edger. And then you have the speaker for 79 bucks. $179 for impact driver drill driver with those compact batteries. So you guys see. So those are supposed to be the newer ones, the subcompact or the smaller ones. You got a 16-inch mower there. And then moving to Milwaukee, $199 for the 6 amp hour, and a rapid charger for $199. So a 6 and a rapid charger for $199. I think it's a little pricey, to tell you the truth. If you guys do the buy more save more, you spend 300 bucks, you get 30 off. Spend 400, you get $100 off. Spend 600, you get $200 off. Obviously, you want to get it close to those $600. Those $600 are going to get you the most out of your money. And then you can hack it too. So if you guys don't want any of these tools that you're going to buy with those $600, then obviously you're going to return those tools and just keep the discounted keep the tool that you want at the discounted price. So you might be able to hack this battery with the fast charger here. You got a chainsaw for $299. And I haven't done the hack prices on these. But you can figure out, about how much percent, about 30% or so, you're going to be getting off of these prices, just around there. So if you can get it close to that $600 range. Got a fuel string trimmer with lock, $299. You got a fan there for 79 bucks. It was $89. They moved it down to 79 bucks. As you guys see there. Got impact driver drill driver for $279. I believe these are the brushless, older brushless, middle grade type. You got an edge trimmer tool only, $169. M18. and go there. And that's the way it looks. So like I said, the buy more save more. If you buy up to 600, you get $200 off. So you pay only for $600, you'll only be paying $400. So that's a really good deal. And for $400, you're gonna be paying $300. So definitely check it out. $19.97 for the 45 piece. And then these glasses, I wish that they had them in stock. I would have bought a few. Tinted performance safety glasses, $11.04. Those are usually the ones that I get. I buy them at $21.97, but you know, if they were this price, I would have bought a few myself. So, but it was empty, unfortunately. $84 for the bimetal hole saw 13-piece kit. So this is the bigger kit here. We did have a kit for 39 bucks, which was a great deal. It was a half price. If you guys missed that deal, make sure you guys check out my. It might be still available. Who knows? $2.99 for this pressure washer. And if you guys see here in the box, it says 13 amp motor, 2400 max psi, 1.3 gallons per minute. So it is an electric pressure washer. So you guys see here, cold water pressure washer. And it does include all those wands or the accessories there, those tips. So you got like a turbo tip at 15 degree and all that. You got some DeWalt tools here, some outdoor power equipment. Which is, this one's the better deal. $2.99 for the blower and trimmer combo. It does include a battery and a charger, so definitely check that one out. $1.99 for the brushless string trimmer, or yeah, brushless trimmer. $2.99 for the what is this? Attachment capable trimmer, 60 bolts. And then you got your tape measure here and a utility knife. So you guys see there. And you got some more down there. And then you got some pack out here at $129. See, I don't know if they're going to have a deal on these pack outs or not, because they've been throughout the whole store, which is weird. They have a lot in stock. $39 for this rigid 22-inch Pro toolbox. I think it's that one. Then they got the rolling toolbox for $69.97. The Pro Gear cart. That's what they call it. And then they got these DeWalt organizers for 19 bucks. I remember a while back they were less than this. But hopefully they'll drop the price, because I missed out on that deal. $99 for that portable or foldable workbench or table. Then you got some clothing here, some hoodies, Carhartt stuff. Got some gray, blue, some shirts. $49.99 for the hoodies. And then same with these. Logo. Hoodies black. So you still got some. Then they got these pants, $44. Got several different colors. That's one of brown, 5-pocket brown. It tells you the sizes. Got some clearance here from Subcompact 2.0 amp hour driver kit. Those are the black tools. Make sure you guys check them out if you guys see them in stock. $135 for the hammer drill, 2 only. Was $149. And then some more pack out here. They had another section full with pack out. 39 bucks for the crate. And then $39.98 for the slim large organizer, which I think it's a little overpriced, because for this a little bit more, you guys could get the thicker one, the one that you can fit more stuff in there. I know a lot of guys using the thicker organizer for tool storage, like if it was a pack out box. Some people like doing that, some people don't. $69 for the smaller pack out box. So you guys see there. $149 for the, or $129 for the rolling pack out. And then $49.97, not for that, it's for the tote, I believe. As you guys see there. And then you got the half toolbox there for 59 bucks. And that's the way it looks. It's in the middle aisle here, between the tools. You got the buy one get one free from M12. You got the drill driver, impact driver, fuel, $229. You get a free tool, 2 amp hour. You got the what is it? The driver, the installation driver, $229. So you got several different tools you guys could choose from. Make sure you guys choose wisely. Some of those are really good deals, and most of them, or probably all of them, you can return that battery and get, keep the tool at a discounted price. You got a titanium coated 292 piece Ryobi set here. I haven't tried these myself. Like I said, I tried many other Ryobi bits, and I don't like them. You got Makita. This is a power source here with the USB, 1997. So if you're on the Makita platform, make sure you guys pick one up. It's always nice to have. $49, 12 volts, 4 amp hour batteries. They're on sale, 49 bucks. And then they got this, catch my attention, a keyless chuck driver, $29.97. It's a 3/8, so you can make any impact driver, a drill basically. You got a right angle attachment here, $24.97. If you guys haven't seen, but there's some deals going on where you get the DeWalt right angle with like a bit set for like 19 bucks. So be on the lookout for something like that. I know it's appearing already at the stores, and people are grabbing it. So make sure you guys check that one out when you guys go to Home Depot. $39.97 for that dual function inflator. $5.97 for the 2-pack 7 1/4 24 tooth framing blades. And then $22.88 for the general purpose carbide oscillating blades. So these are carbide. They're supposed to be lasting longer than your regular blade. We did have some deals, I believe yesterday. I don't know if they're still up. Make sure you guys watch my videos. A few of those, I believe they were on the buy of the day, I believe. Deals with those blades, oscillating tool blades. $2.99 for this impact. I believe it's a drill driver, the hammer drill, and the circ saw. Flex volts. Make sure you guys check out the price on that. If you guys need to find the tool, the SKU or the number for the store, make sure you guys rewind it and check it out, because it might be lower in your store. Same thing with these. That's the axe right there for $29.97. It's a 9-inch TPI 9-inch blade. It's an axe. So axe is one of the most expensive ones that they have. They last longer. So be sure to check it out. As you guys see there. And then we got some $129 for the circ saw, 7 1/4 15 amp Makita. It's the same one. And then we got $249 for this 21 degree framing nailer. Like I said, check out the price. Make sure you guys get somebody to help you with this, with the prices. $349 for the Crosspoint laser kit. It does include Red Lithium 3.0, I believe. $129 for the Milwaukee wet and dry vac M12. So definitely check it out. Like I said, make sure you guys get an associate. Make sure they scan the tools, scan the barcode, so you guys know exactly what kind of price you're going to get them. Because you guys know that, their system is different than our system. Well, not our system, but the online system. So make sure you guys check that out. And that's not the price. I was looking for the price on these and I couldn't find the price. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.